Anyway, guys, this is Samara Pizangwasele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. A happy Saturday, happy New Year. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, Utobile refused to apologize to Dlongulo Mayeni. I'm not defending him, but the statement came after she tried to make peace with Mayeni over a dinner, and Mayeni accused of her acting like she's the only wife based on the things that she assumed, which were not true. Hence, she said that the guys, Nayo Umayeni, she's always saying, Utobile, Uya Papa. I think they two need to apologize. So yesterday, on the channel Tembo Uncut, it was the last episode. Yaka Tobile Mseleko, guys, Umusam Seleko was sitting down, no Tobile, begging Tobile to apologize to Mayeni for saying, Umayeni, delusional. Guys, he even went far as to say, Utobile needs to go and apologize to Mayeni's family. Utobile was like, I will never do that. I'm not crazy. I will never go and apologize. So Utobile, she's refusing to apologize to Mayeni, guys. And people on the internet are asking themselves why Utobile should go and apologize to Mdeni Waka. I do understand that Umayeni, yes, she's married, she has a family. What the family I need to understand this time, because sometimes in this time you will hurt each other, guys. And Umayeni, she said a lot on God Tobile, but I've never seen Ubaba Mseleko saying to Mayeni, go and apologize to Tobile's family, guys. The only thing Tobile needs to apologize to Mayeni, and also Mayeni needs to forgive Tobile. They need to forgive each other, guys. So Ziyakhala lapana ku Tobile, guys, lapana kutana nesembo Uncut. Yes, Tobile was wrong to call Mayeni delusional. She did nothing to her to be called delusional. It was uncalled, especially after everything she mentally went through, guys. She could have swallowed her pride and apologized. Wrong is wrong, guys. Tobile, yeah, some things that Tobile should apologize, but I feel like Utobile and Mayeni, guys, they don't respect each other. Utobile, she thinks she came before Mayeni. Mayeni, she thinks she's the only girlfriend. So it's a lot that's going on, guys. So it is what it is. Tell me a conversation. What do you think about it? Say, don't forget to subscribe, so like, a comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.